Good morning and welcome to the Wellbeing Garden. As you can see, the ducks are still here. Star of our last show. Yeah, they're lovely. They're getting a bit more bold now. They came out to see me this morning when I turned up and looking for some food, so I promptly fed them. Other things are popping out. There's lots of fresh green growth here, as you can see. A few more flowers opening up on the bank up there. And down here we have the garlic, etc., still in flower, and fresh flowers appearing over here on these little babies. Things popping up and growing on the rest of the bank here. This still needs some work. This is the main project for this spring, I think, getting this all tidied up and looking nice. The herb garden here is looking rather nice. There's various we've got rosemary in flower here. That's beautiful as always. Fresh growth down here. I think it's a sage or something down here. And the planters, there's people are showing lots of interest in planters now. So we've got a couple of ones that have been moved from elsewhere over the side there. We're going to fill those up and get those fixed up and ready to go. Yeah, back to the ducks. Yes, it's all looking like fun today. So hope I get some help because I've given myself quite a fair bit to do. And it's a parting shot from our duck friends over there. Okay, see you later. Well, it's been a pretty productive afternoon with the three of us here. We have a new high-rise strawberry patch here. This planter here has had a fresh coating of compost with these rather bizarre-looking daffodils in there. They are very pretty. We're really impressed with those. And then this planter here, which has got some strawberries in it, has also had some fresh compost thrown into it as well, as has this one here with our little berry bushes. That's been topped up with some extra compost as well. And the ducks are still here. Hopefully hoping they'll make a nest in the reeds there, in the bulrushes. They seem to have picked a spot there. Have I got them? Yes, there they are. Just snuggled down in there. Totally cool with it. And why not? It's a lovely little nesting spot, I think. Bless them. Okay, well, we'll keep track of how these ducks go and how the rest of the garden fares during this spring and summer in more videos. So stay tuned to this channel, and you'll get more and more, never stopping, never-ending videos about this garden. And hopefully you'll enjoy them. Ducks certainly enjoy life. Bye bye.